What's up? Welcome back to another Facebook dropshipping video. In this video, I'm going to be giving you 3 tips that you can apply to your store today if you're struggling to find any success with dropshipping on Facebook. So, coming up on tip number 1, and it's providing good customer service and replying to messages very fast. I normally try not to make my messages go unanswered for 2 to 3 hours. But there are some times where someone will message me super early in the morning while I'm sleeping. But most cases during non-sleeping hours, try to get messages replied really quickly. Also, replying to non-English customers will help increase sales too. It's pretty easy to reply to them. What I usually do is copy what they say in Google Translate and type out the messages there and then copy them back onto Facebook. For the most part, I'm able to make sales that I probably wouldn't have if I didn't reply to them, but that also shows the Facebook algorithm that you're on top of your business and you're taking it seriously if you reply to the messages quick. And in return, they'll show your listings more, creating more sales, and then more sales will lead to positive feedback. And then when you get positive feedback, you get more exposure, and it all works together perfectly. And then the next tip is what types of products to list. So, the audience on Facebook now in this day and age, as of like 2022, while creating this video, is much, much older than what it used to be back when it was on its come up. Most of the shoppers on Facebook are older, somewhere like 30 and up. So, products like coffee tables, bookshelves, power tools, car parts, cookware do very well. Every now and then, I'll make a sale on jewelry or clothing, but it's nothing compared to the volume of power tools or furniture. Another thing you can list are impulse buy type items, products that are pretty low in price but are cool things that customers would want. An example of that would be like a fidget spinner or a toy laser. They're pretty cheap to buy and cool to have. Since the item is cheap, the thought of someone wanting to cancel an order after purchase isn't there. Whereas if someone bought a pretty expensive item, it will give them time to think about it in their head about their large purchase and creating buyer's remorse. So the best and easiest tip I saved for the last, and something that I have constantly mentioned in my past tutorial videos, and that is to list more and more. More listings equals more eyes on your products in your store. The more you list, the likelihood someone will see your product, they may like it and share it, and then everything just snowballs. Some products will just take off and rake in sales consistently. You may never know which products will take off unless you list more. With the help of software, listing a lot shouldn't be an issue, but I understand that most people won't have enough to purchase software when they first start, but 50 items a day is not very hard without software. You could do 50 items a day for 30 days, and that's like 1,500 listings. That will be more than enough listings to get you enough money to purchase software for the next month, to start listing even more. So yeah, it really isn't that hard. It just takes time. If you don't put in the time to list, you won't make any sales. Simple as that. So that's basically it for this video. If you made it to the end, thanks for watching the video entirely. It really helps out with the watch hours. And if you haven't done so yet, be sure to hit that like button to help push my videos out to more people. And if it's your first time here, be sure to hit that subscribe button so you don't miss out on the free knowledge about dropshipping or Facebook dropshipping. Good luck with your store, and I will see you in the next video.